Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Rotating stick labels in matplotlib allows you to adjust the orientation of the labels on the x-axis to make them more readable when dealing with a large number of labels. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to rotate stick labels in matplotlib in Python. Step 1. Import the necessary libraries. Step 2. Generate some sample data. Step 3. Create a bar plot using matplotlib. Step 4. Rotate the stick labels. Step 5. Show the plot. Putting it all together, here's the complete code example. By setting plt.xticks, rotation equals 45, you can adjust the rotation angle of the stick labels to your desired degree. Feel free to experiment with different rotation angles to find the best orientation for your stick labels.